So for this part B, we are going to look at the explanation about communication and collaboration of application software on the web. Okay. For the first one, as the introduction, what does it mean by collaborating with web technologies? Okay, the new collaborative user-created web content has been dubbed Web 2.0. Web 2.0 can be classified as social media and includes social networking, wikis, blogs, podcasts, and webcasts. So social networking is using the web to communicate and share information with others. Okay, under social networking services that have become popular recently, okay, it comes with several things. Okay, you need to be aware of many precautions as you use social networking sites. Example of social networking sites, as all of us know, is Facebook, Twitter, and others as well. All right. So, collaborating with web technologies, this is some example how we collaborate application software with the web technologies. The first one is a social communication, for example, Facebook, Tumblr, Twitter, Snapchat, and others. Media sharing such as Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, and others. Business networking and collaboration such as LinkedIn, Slack, Kickstarter and others, information sharing such as Delicious, SlideShare, StumbleOpen and others as well. Okay. Besides that, there are also others collaboration with web technologies, which is social commerce and payment such as Venmo, PayPal and others. Social travel like Uber, Airbnb, TripAdvisor, and the most famous is Waze nowadays. And then health and fitness, we have Map, MyFitness, Fitocracy, and others as well. All right. Right? Collaboration with web technologies. Okay, Wikipedia is one example of wiki, a web application that allows user to add, remove or edit its content. This is what we call collaboration of application software with the web technologies. Okay, Google Drive has wiki-like features to promote similar online collaboration and specific wiki software such as Wikispaces or MediaWiki. The Wikimedia Foundation hosts other collaborative projects such as Wikibooks, Wikiversity, and Wikisource. Okay, for project management tools, this is incorporate tasks and calendars so the individual components as well as the entire project can stay on schedule. Okay, a blog, short for weblog, is a personal log or journal posted on the web. Okay, this can be shared for others to read as well. A video log, also known as vlog or video blog, is a blog that uses video as a primary content. Okay, you can easily create your own blog or vlog. Okay, problems with blogs includes spam blogs, okay, also known as s-blogs. Microblogs are blogs with limits on how much text can be used. Okay, so that is related to blogs. All right. And then we have podcasts and webcasts. Podcast is a form of digital media composed of a series of audio or video files that are distributed over the internet. Podcasts deliver their content using really simple syndication, a format that sends the latest content of the podcast series automatically to an aggregator. An aggregator locates all the RSS series to which you subscribe and automatically downloads the new content, while webcast is the broadcast of audio or video over the internet. There are several media sharing platforms such as YouTube, Flickr, Instagram, and SoundCloud as well. Alright. Okay, for the email, what is email? This is also an example of collaboration of application software with web technologies. Email is the primary means of communication over the internet because it is fast and convenient. Email is written message sent or received over the internet. Okay, it is asynchronous, so user do not need to be communicating at the same time. Email is convenient for exchanging and collaborating on documents via attachment. It is a more private exchange of information than public social network sites. But emails are not really private. When you send emails for professional reasons, you should use proper email ethics. Alright? There are two types of email, which is known as web-based or using an email client. Alright? Okay. Besides email, okay, instant messaging services also let you communicate, but this is a real time over the internet. This is what we call a synchronized communication. Okay, AIM, Google Chat, Windows Messenger, and Yahoo Messenger are proprietary for instant messaging services, meaning you can chat with only those who share the same IM service and are on your contact or buddy list. There are universal chat services that you install which allows you to chat with others user over formula IMs. Okay, texting is the sending of messaging between devices. Voice over Internet Protocol, also known as a voice over IP or VoIP, uses the internet to make phone calls such as Skype. Alright. Now, there are three types of e-commerce business model. You have to remember this. Okay, the first one is business to consumer. What does it mean by business to consumer? It involves transactions that take place between business and consumer only. Okay, the second one is business to business transaction, which occurs when businesses buy and sell goods and services to other businesses. And then the third one is consumer to consumer, C2C, which involves transaction that occurs when consumers sell to each other. Okay, so in e-commerce, okay, since e-commerce is a short for electronic commerce and is the process of conducting business online, there are certain guidelines to make the process safer, to make the shopping safer, to make the selling process safer. So let's have a look. What does it mean? Okay, it says that the first one, look for indicators that website is secure. How do we know that? Check that the beginning of the URL changes from HTTP to HTTPS. The letter S means secure. Shop at well-known reputable sites only. Pay by credit card, not a debit card. Check the return policy and save a copy of the order and a confirmation numbers. Always do that. Okay. Avoid making online transaction when using public computer. Okay. This is some guidelines to make the process of e-commerce safer. Okay, accessing and moving around the world. Okay, a browser is a software that lets you locate, view, and navigate the web. Most browsers today are graphical browser, meaning they can display pictures in graphics in addition to text and other forms of multimedia such as sound and video. Most popular browser offer similar features. Okay, this is some popular browser nowadays, which is Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, and Safari. Okay. So, every website has a unique address. What does it mean by that? You can access a website by typing its uniform resource locator, also known as URL, in your browser. A URL has several parts that helps identify the web document. Okay, it stands for protocol, which is the set of rules used to retrieve the document domain name. Okay. path or subdirectory. Okay, you don't have to type in every part of the location of address on the bar of the browser. When the URL is the only domain name, you're requesting a site's homepage. Okay, this is the example. Okay, we have HTTP, which is this is the protocol, www.nytimes.com. This is the domain name. The .com is referring to the top level domain. Okay, pages/technology, this is the path or subdirectory.